I'm so excited to have finally found a cure for hiccups. As a mum of 3, there's always somebody with hiccups, and we have tried all the home remedies without success. I recently came across an article in The Guardian about a cure for hiccups. It's a straw called Hickaway, and it was created by a doctor in America. It's a Shark Tank product, and it's finally available in the UK. I managed to pick this up on Amazon Prime for next day delivery. You simply drink water through the straw and your hiccups will be gone instantly. It's a must-have in your medicine cabinet.